What am I looking for in a career? I'm looking for something fun, something that challenges me, and something with financial stability. I always have the mentality, if it's easy, they don't pay you a lot because anybody can do it. The reason I wake up is for my kids, and this job has provided me with the ability to give them things that I was never able to have when I was a child. Ever since I was small, I would always help my dad do the oil changes on any car we had. I remember all the laughs, and yeah, we really bonded over that. My plan was to go to a 4-year school to be a computer programmer or engineer. I got a part-time job at a car dealership. It reminded me of all the good times I had with my father. And in a week, I completely changed my mind and went to community college instead. At the college here, they're always on the cutting edge, so they can teach the technology that's coming out now, not 10 or 15 years ago.
We have the high voltage plug going to my battery.
When I went to school here, you could tell the teachers cared. This job is all about certifications. I have 9. It was just a natural progression for me to get the electric certification because there's only going to be more and more hybrids or electric vehicles on the roads. My job humbles me. It just makes me that much more excited when I finally figure out something that other people would never be able to figure out. There is a real labor shortage, especially with the high certifications like us that do all the hybrid and electric vehicle repairs.
So this is the 3 phases for the AC motor. If you look in there.
This is serious. We need more men and women to come work on cars. Unfortunately, a year ago, my mom passed and my father needs help, so this job's been able to help us help him, as well as my family and my kids. I never went to a single baseball game until I was about 17. Now I'm able to go to ball games, to play baseball with them, buy them whatever they would like to have, within reason. I hope they're proud of me and they realize I'm trying to instill a good work ethic and a sense of pride in what they do every day. It's a great job. It's fun. You can make a great living in a very stable industry because cars are never going away. Going to community college in Illinois is still the best decision I ever made.